What if I told you there's a watch in today's video that costs more than most people's houses? Yeah, you heard that right. $250,000? But before we get to that absolute insanity, I'm going to show you 17 other gadgets that won't drain your bank account but will absolutely transform how you handle everyday tasks. Look, I know you're probably thinking, another gadget video? But here's the thing. I spent the last 3 weeks researching, fact-checking prices, and finding products that actually deliver value. Not just novelty junk that looks cool in a thumbnail. We're talking about gear that solves real problems, from organizing your pockets to grilling the perfect steak in the middle of nowhere. Here's how this is going down. We've got 4 categories today. First, the pocket essentials that'll upgrade your everyday carry. Then we're hitting the workshop with tools that'll make you feel like a professional craftsman. After that, outdoor and survival gear for when you want to escape civilization. And finally, the lifestyle picks that'll make you question everything, including that insane $250,000 timepiece I mentioned. Stick around until the end, because I'm breaking down which ones are actually worth your money and which ones you should skip. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 14. Let's dive in. Let's start with something that'll immediately clean up the jangling mess in your pocket. The Shield X is what happens when engineers get tired of keys stabbing them in the leg. This thing is machined from aerospace aluminum with carbon fiber accents, and it organizes up to 10 keys in a compact 8cm frame that eliminates all that annoying noise. Here's what makes it brilliant. One quick wrist flick, and any key deploys smoothly without fumbling through a ring. It's got an integrated multi-tool with a bottle opener and mini pry bar. Plus, there's a snap hook for larger keys or your car remote. The whole setup weighs almost nothing but feels premium in hand. At just $29, this is the kind of upgrade you didn't know you needed until you try it. Your pocket will thank you. Now, if you're still carrying a traditional leather wallet that makes your pants bulge, we need to talk. The VMAG is essentially the Tesla of wallets. This modular system uses titanium or aluminum construction with a cyberpunk design that's genuinely eye-catching. It comes in 2 modules. The Alpha holds 3 credit cards with instant access and snaps directly onto your iPhone via MagSafe. Yes, your wallet becomes part of your phone. Android users with MagSafe-compatible cases for Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel can use it too. The Beta module fits up to 6 cards plus cash and includes practical EDC tools like a bottle opener, pry bar, and even an AirTag clip for tracking. But here's the kicker. It doubles as a phone stand for horizontal or vertical viewing. Watching videos or reading on the go becomes effortless. For $65, you're getting a wallet, phone accessory, and multi-tool combined. That's legitimately clever design. Okay, I know what you're thinking. A fish-shaped pendant? Really? But hear me out, because this tiny flounder is absolutely packed with functionality. We're talking 13 tools forged from titanium in a coin-sized package that weighs just 33 grams. This thing has an eternal graphite-tipped pen, pry bar, rope cutter, pocket saw, bottle opener, screwdriver with 2 magnetic bits, ferro rod fire starter, a file, nail puller, and slots for glow-in-the-dark vials. Everything folds into a pendant you can wear on a necklace, keychain, or carabiner. The opening mechanism is smooth, putting every tool at your fingertips in seconds. At $49, it's the conversation starter that's actually useful. Plus, if you're into preparedness without looking tactical, this is your move. Quick 2-for-1 here because both deserve attention. The Stinger is made from aerospace-grade aluminum with a matte black finish. It weighs just 4 ounces, but writes smoothly while hiding a reinforced pressure tip for self-defense or breaking glass in emergencies. Metric and imperial rulers are etched into the body, making it more than just a pen. The Dango M1 Maverick takes wallet design to another level. CNC machined from aerospace aluminum and premium leather, this vertical bifold blocks RFID scans while holding up to 14 cards total. The stainless steel MT-04 multi-tool includes a seatbelt cutter, serrated edge, bottle opener, and oxygen wrench. At $139, it's an investment, but it's built to last decades. All right, workshop time. The Screwdriver King is basically what happens when a Swiss Army knife has a baby with a professional toolkit. This compact beast is forged from high-strength stainless steel with 18-karat titanium gold plating, and it packs over 40 tools into one hand-sized package. You get 27 quarter-inch screwdriver bits covering everything from Phillips to Torx, plus a double-sided 3/16-inch bit, all stored in a magnetic compartment so nothing goes missing. But wait, there's more. 2 hex wrenches, 9 bicycle spoke wrenches, a circular bubble level for perfect alignments, a file for smoothing edges, and 2 rulers in metric and imperial etched right into the body. The ergonomic design maximizes torque, and N50 neodymium magnets ensure bits and screws stay put while you work. At $89, this replaces an entire toolbox for everyday repairs. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing your bike, or handling random household tasks, this is the one tool that never leaves your bag. Pronunciation heads up, it's MEAZOR, made by HOZO Design. Now, if you've ever tried measuring a curved surface or mapping out a room renovation, you know how frustrating traditional tape measures can be. The MEAZOR 3D is the gadget that turns measurement into something almost magical. This pocket-sized 6-in-1 laser device combines cutting-edge tech with a free app to completely transform how you measure spaces. With a 40-meter range and plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy, it measures distances, maps 2-dimensional floor plans, scans spaces in 3 dimensions, and calculates areas or volumes in seconds. The scroll wheel and crosshair laser capture every angle and detail, even in cluttered spaces. Point Capture Mode creates instant 3D models you can export to CAD for professional-level projects. The 1.3-inch color touchscreen and Bluetooth connectivity make transferring data to your phone seamless. Built from durable aluminum with a USB-C rechargeable battery lasting up to 3 hours, this gadget is perfect for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who needs precision. At $345, it's a professional investment that pays for itself on the first big project. Here's where things get interesting. The Hodo 35-in-1 is an ultralight rotary toolkit that weighs just 240 grams but delivers serious power. The 380-watt motor hits up to 25,000 RPM, giving you professional results in a compact handheld package. With 35 high-quality attachments from cutting bits to sanding discs, you can carve, engrave, polish, drill, grind, and even groom your pet's nails with precision. 5 adjustable speeds give you total control for any project, while the ring-shaped LED light eliminates shadows and illuminates every detail perfectly. The 2,000 mAh battery lasts up to 50 minutes and recharges fast via USB-C. It comes with a charging case and a quick-swap dust cover to keep debris away from your eyes. The detachable case organizes all accessories, so you're never hunting for the right bit. And here's the best part. It's only $50, not the $100 you might see listed elsewhere. At $50, this is an absolute steal for anyone who loves creating or fixing things. Last one in the workshop category. The Arota Solder Pro is a cordless 4-in-1 butane soldering kit that brings professional soldering power anywhere you need it. With a 30 to 70 watt range, this thing heats up in just 18 seconds, making it perfect for soldering circuits, fixing electronics, or tackling DIY projects on the go. It comes with 4 high-quality interchangeable tips for soldering, torching, hot knife cutting, and hot air blowing. The ergonomic design with piezo auto-ignition and adjustable flame gives you surgical precision, while the transparent butane tank lasts up to 40 minutes, so you can monitor fuel levels easily. At $35, it's the portable workshop companion every tinkerer needs. Let's talk about gear that looks professional, but hides serious survival functionality. The Survival Belt 2.0 is a 1.5-inch wide belt made in the USA from waterproof, heat-resistant nylon with a 1500 PSI rating. This thing is practically indestructible and fits waists up to 48 inches with a patented ratchet system for precise quarter-inch adjustments. But the real genius is in the matte black zinc alloy buckle. It hides a folding stainless steel knife with titanium nitride coating, a bottle opener, a 20-lumen LED flashlight that works in or out of the buckle, and a ferro rod for sparking fires in any condition. Everything blends seamlessly, looking like a sleek belt you could wear to a business meeting or a camping trip. At $99, it's the ultimate daily carry that's ready for anything. Quick double feature for adventure essentials. Wasatch Survival Laces turn your boots into a portable survival kit. These military-grade 550 paracord laces don't just keep your boots snug, they hide essential tools inside. Each pair includes 7 nylon strands for building shelters or repairing gear, plus a 10-pound fishing line. One lace contains a 1-inch ferro rod and a 4-inch waterproof tinder strand ready to spark a fire. At just $6, this is preparedness that costs less than lunch. The CRKT companion pocket knife is the EDC blade that doesn't take up space. This carabiner-equipped knife features a 1.5-inch stainless steel blade with a stonewash satin finish that's razor-sharp and easy to maintain. The sheep's foot tip reduces accidental punctures, while the slip joint mechanism ensures smooth operation. At 62 grams and 3.23 inches closed, it clips to your keychain or belt with a titanium nitride bronze-accented carabiner. $39 gets you a reliable cutting tool that's always within reach. Alright, outdoor cooking enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Nomad Grill & Smoker is a portable charcoal grill that weighs just 28 pounds and packs into a sleek anodized aluminum case that looks like something from a spy movie. But open it up, and you've got 425 square inches of cooking space, enough for up to 30 burgers with an optional second grate. Here's the crazy part. The high-strength cast aluminum build and patented heat dissipation technology keep the exterior cool enough to use on any surface. Wooden picnic tables, car tailgates, even your deck without worrying about scorch marks. 4 magnetic vents give you surgical precision over temperature, whether you're searing steaks or slow-smoking ribs for hours. Setup is effortless. Use Nomad's fire starters and fruitwood charcoal for clean, long-lasting flavor without sparks or excessive ash. At $649, it's positioned as a premium portable grill. But if you're serious about outdoor cooking and want something that travels anywhere, this delivers restaurant-quality results in the middle of nowhere. Let's lighten things up with something for beer lovers. The Frosty Beer 2Go is a double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel cooler that keeps your 12-ounce cans or bottles ice-cold for hours, even under blazing sun at barbecues or beach days. The versatile design lets you use the base alone for standard or skinny cans, or add the top section for bottles. Rubber rings ensure a snug fit so your lips never touch metal. Best part? There's a built-in bottle opener in the lid, so you're always ready to crack open a cold one with zero hassle. At $30, it's the summer essential that pays for itself after a few outdoor gatherings. Here's something genuinely innovative. The Bang Roof helmet redefines safety with style nobody can ignore. This snapback-style cap blends the comfort of a flexible hat with the protection of a high-impact helmet, thanks to shock-absorbing technology and puncture-resistant materials that exceed EN 1385 water sports helmet standards by nearly 3 times. Weighing just about 350 grams, it feels light as a feather, but hardens on impact to protect you during kayaking, surfing, or rafting sessions. With an adjustable elastic band and quick-release buckle, it fits perfectly without the bulk of traditional helmets. At $89, it's safety gear that doesn't scream, "I'm wearing safety gear." Quick but clever. The Razor Rinser from Clean Shave Company revolutionizes your morning routine by using just 4 ounces of water to blast your razor clean with high-pressure jets. It clears away hair, cream, and residue in seconds, keeping your sink spotless. Compatible with most disposable razors and equipped with a special adapter for double-edged safety razors, it's versatile and easy to use. Just press your razor into the base, and the jets do the rest, while a filter system recycles water efficiently. At $33, it's the grooming upgrade that makes shaving less annoying. All right, we've arrived. Remember that $250,000 watch I mentioned at the beginning? Welcome to the URWERK UR-112 aggregate. This is Swiss luxury watchmaking taken to an almost absurd extreme, and I need you to understand just how wild this timepiece is. This titanium marvel completely reinvents how you read time using a digital satellite system that displays hours and minutes on rotating aluminum prisms visible through transparent sapphire cylinders. Hours jump on the left, while minutes tick up in 5-minute increments on the right, with luminova-coated numerals that glow brilliantly in darkness. Press the side buttons, and a Hunter-style titanium lid pops open like a supercar hood, revealing a 48-hour power reserve indicator and a silicon seconds disc with a sleek black and gray matte finish. The engineering is genuinely extraordinary. A titanium drive shaft runs through the center of the movement, powering the entire satellite complication system. Now let's talk about price. The URWERK UR-112 retails for approximately $275,000 to $310,000. Yes, you could buy a house, or several cars, or fund a small business. But for collectors who appreciate mechanical artistry and exclusivity, this represents the absolute pinnacle of independent watchmaking. It's not for everyone, it's barely for anyone, but it exists, and that's kind of amazing. So there you have it, 18 gadgets ranging from $6 to $6,500, and one watch that costs more than most people earn in 5 years. Here's my challenge for you. Drop a comment right now with the number of the product you'd actually buy if money wasn't an issue. Just the number. Let's see which one wins. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people discover these products. And if you want to see any of these in action with full demonstrations, let me know in the comments which ones you want tested. I'm planning a hands-on review series, and your input decides what I cover next. Subscribe if you haven't already, because next week I'm revealing 10 tech gadgets that are criminally underpriced. Seriously good gear that costs way less than it should. You won't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.